Hey guys, it's Natalie and it is day 2 of Vlogoween, and today, as you can see from my face, we're going to be doing a Halloween makeup look. And today I decided to recreate Jigsaw, and if you don't know where he's from or who he is the evil puppet from the Saw movies. If you don't like scary movies, don't watch it. I mean, it's not scary, it's more like gory, like disgusting, like there's a lot of blood and stuff. So if you're not into that, you probably haven't seen them, but I'm pretty sure everyone knows who Jigsaw is. Like, he's a pretty famous character. But yeah, if you want to see how I made this look, be sure you keep watching. And now, without further ado, let's get on to the video. So the first thing we're going to do is put on primer. I'm using the Cover FX blurring primer. So in order to do this, I'm not going to use foundation, I'm going to use concealer because Jigsaw is so light. So I need to figure out which of my concealers is the lightest. So I'm going to go ahead and swatch all the ones I have on my hand, and I will be right back. Okay, so I think by far the one that wins is this one right here, and that is the Maybelline Instant Age Rewind concealer. So we're gonna go ahead and use that as a foundation today. So we're just gonna go ahead and this dries so fast, it's ridiculous. Okay, we're gonna put a little more on. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and go get some powder to set this, and I'll be right back. So I'm going to go ahead and be using the Maybelline Fit Me Set and Smooth powder in the shade 220 Beige. And I'm going to be using the BH Cosmetics brush, just like a big fluffy brush. I'm just going to put powder all over my face. First thing we are going to do for this Jigsaw look is we're going to do the eyes first. Okay, so out of all of the eyeshadow palettes I have, only these three have black in it. So it's the Morphe and Camping Lights palette, the Anastasia Beverly Hills Soft Glam, and the Anastasia Beverly Hills Prism palette. I'm gonna go ahead, I don't remember if this one works or not. This black, it might be like, I don't remember if it's like, oh no. This black is very, oh yeah, definitely, look at that. I swatched it, that's as dark as it gets. Like, deadass, this is not gonna work. This one's out of the picture. So we have, from the Soft Glam palette, it is the shade Noir, which is this one right here. And then from the Prism palette, it is Obsidian, which is this one right here. So I guess we're just gonna have both of them open. Actually, we're gonna use Obsidian from the Prism palette because Noir seems to have like a little bit of like specks of like something in there, and we just want our eyes to be like completely like black. So go ahead and put this right here, and we're gonna use another BH Cosmetics brush and go to town. And it doesn't matter if it's messy because I mean, you basically want to make it look like your whole eye is just like surrounded in black. for the bottom, we are going to be using the Glamour Dolls brush, number 10. We're going to be dipping back into that same obsidian and going into the bottom of our eyes. Oh my god. This is something. Oh, and this is just a clean brush. It's the Luxie Tapered Blending Brush 229. Just using that to blend this out a little more. So now we're gonna go ahead and do this eye. God, I love Dwight in that episode of The Office when he dresses up as a Sith Lord for Halloween. Okay, so I have to say they're about the same now. So, I'm gonna go ahead and close that up. Next thing we're gonna do is we're gonna take just a regular black eyeliner. Oh my god. A regular black liner. I'm gonna be using the Vintage Smoky eye pencil in the color Jet Black. We're gonna go ahead and put that in our waterline. Oh god. So the next thing we're gonna do is our eyebrow. Honestly, I don't even know what brand this is anymore because like I've had it for so long and it's all like rubbing off. I think it's by Winky Lux. It's their like duo-ended brow pencil, so one side is a pencil, the other side is a spoon. We're gonna go ahead and do our brows with that. That brow came out so thick before. Okay, so now that we have our brows done, we're looking kind of crazy. So we're gonna go ahead and do the circles on Jigsaw's cheeks. And the red pencil that I have is really dull, so I'm gonna go ahead and get a sharpener and I'll be right back. Okay, so I went ahead and sharpened my pencil. Okay, so this is gonna be a little hard. I'm just gonna start center of the cheek and we're just gonna do it and pray that it comes out good. That's not too bad, but I feel like this color is more pink than it is red. And kind of mad, but I think I have a darker red. I can just go over it later. What is it about the right side of my face that I can't do anything right on this side? So the next thing we're gonna do is with that same red lipstick, we're gonna go ahead and do our lip outline. And then we're gonna make it kind of like a Joker style smile and like bring it out a little on the sides. I think this is a good red for this. We're gonna go ahead and then just fill in our lips. So now that we went ahead and did our lips, since Jigsaw is a puppet, we need to make ourselves look like puppets. So we're gonna go ahead and draw the two lines that go down the puppet chin. So we're gonna go and go over them in gel liner just to make sure the line is nice and as black as it can be. Oh, and I didn't name these last products that I used. This is the Pretty Vulgar The Ink Blacklist Gel Liner. And then this is just a Morphe regular liner brush. And then I used the liner that I used was from ColourPop. It was in the color Frenchie. And then the lipstick that I used was also from ColourPop, again in the color Frenchie. So we're just gonna go ahead and use like a very white shadow, and this is from the Morphe 35O palette. It's the very first one on the left. I don't know, Morphe doesn't use like names for their shadows. I'm just gonna go ahead on another Morphe brush. It's just like a flat shadow brush. Dip into this first lightest shade and just go ahead and put it like, because there were just some spots on my face that got a bit lighter throughout this process. So I'm just gonna go ahead and dip into that and go over those parts on my face. And they were mostly just parts like right here in the middle area, since this is the general area where I kept touching. Okay. And then for the last part, we're gonna go ahead and dip back into Obsidian from the Prism palette, and we're gonna use this like angled Morphe brush. And we're gonna go ahead and just chisel out her cheekbones a bit. And we're just going ahead and putting that black where you would normally put like bronzer. So. That's basically the finished look. Yeah, this is basically the finished look. Let me know if you guys go ahead and try to recreate this look down in the comments, or send me some pictures on Instagram or Snapchat. You know, all my social medias, I put them all at the end of every single video. Make sure if you like this video, you give a big thumbs up and let me know down below. And also, if you're not subscribed to my channel, be sure you subscribe, because I am posting videos every single day this month except for this video. See you guys tomorrow. Bye.